Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off friend requests on Facebook. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. I'll show you how to turn off friend requests on Facebook. First, open up the Facebook app and then tap on this menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this gear icon, scroll down until you find a section called Audience and Visibility. Once you find it, tap on How People Find and Contact You. Tap on that Who Can Send You Friend Requests, and as you can see, it is by default set to everyone, which means everyone that uses Facebook can send you friend requests. So in order to turn that off, simply tap on Friends of Friends, and now only the people that you have mutual friends with will be able to send you friend requests. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.